Good morning, guys. Welcome back to a new video. So in this video I have a Cisco access point. This is AP1832I, and I need to upgrade the image from Capwap image to Mobility Express. So let me show you the unit right here. I have the the Cisco right there. So we are basically the first thing that we need to do is restore the unit to factory default. And once we restore this to factory default, we need to transfer the Mobility Express image from a TFTP server. And after that, I will show you, the basic configuration of the unit. So basically, let me show you how to execute the factory default. So in this case, we need to press and hold the mode button for about more than 20 seconds. So we need to remove the power cord from there and connect the power back and hold the mode button for about 20 seconds. So I already provide the power. Look at that. So we need to hold it for more than 20 seconds, and that will restore the unit to factory default. So we erase all the configuration on the access point. So when we are there, we need to check what is the version running, or what is the Capwap image version running on the access point, just to make sure that is the Mobility Express is compatible with that image, because require a specific image. Let's release the button, and right there, so let's check. That will basically reset to a factory default. Let's wait until the unit boot, complete boot, and then we are going to check what is the Capwap image running on the unit. So the unit already reboot, so let's go and check if we can access the unit. By default, DHCP is enabled by default on the management interface. So here the user is Cisco, and the password is Cisco with capital C. There we go. So enable Cisco, and let's check what is the version running on the unit. So in order to upgrade to the Mobility Express software or image, we need a specific version. So in this case, it's running this image right here, which is totally fine, because the minimum is the A.1, the 122.0. That's the minimum version. So in this case, we have A.5, so a really good software in there. So now we need to copy the image from my TFTP server. So since this is already on the network, let's check connectivity pin 192.168.0.112. And it's responding. So now let's transfer the Mobility Express image to the access point, to convert this into basically a virtual LAN wireless controller, which will be able to management different access point. You don't need a physical wireless management controller. So this unit will be the function of that. Let me show you how to transfer the image. So the command to transfer the wireless controller is this one right here. So AP dash type Mobility Express and the TFTP 192.168.0.112, and the tar file, paste. This one is the version that I have available right now. So let's just hit enter, and let's wait until the process is complete. Look at that, the process start transferring the image. So let's wait until all the software is transferred. So the image transfer is complete, as we can see right here. This will be, this will be remove the unit and start, the new the Mobility Express. of the virtual wireless LAN controller. Let's wait. So look at that, guys. The unit already reboot. So we need to go into basic interactive configuration. So this is the wireless Mobility Express image. So now I need to define a user, admin, a password, and the name, SBNet, enter, US, NTP. We are not going to set that kind of things right now, just the basic configuration. No, we are using the HCP. We can assign a static IP address, but in this case we are just using the HCP. Enter. No. Employee SBNet clients. Enter. The security by default. Enter. And this is the key. Enter again to confirm that. And no here. And if everything is correct, just say the configuration yes. And this will reset the unit for sure. And then after that, we are going to see if we can access, the Mobility Express image, and then we are running a few diagnostic commands. Let's check until everything, the reset is complete. So the unit already boot. Let's double check. Admin, that's the user that we defined. There we go, guys. So let's check a few diagnostic commands. Show sysinfo, and there we go. So right here we can see, the new image of the unit, which is this one right here. And also I have one IP address right here that was signed for the DHCP. And then what else we can see here is the the maximum number of access point supporter, 50. So basically that's the number of clients or another access point that can be connected to this one, to this virtual wireless LAN controller. So what else we have? Show inventory, and that is this is the model number of the unit right there, right? So what else? We can check show to boot. So that's the image, the primary image right there. That's the mobility controller, and we have a second boot image, which is basically the Capwap image that is still there. When you upgrade the process, in this case, the mobility was the primary image, and the primary image was a copy to the second basically image, or the second partition, to say something like that. And then we can check custom web role, meaning that we can access this unit from the HTTP, from the web browser. So again, the IP address is this one right here. Let's see if we can access the unit, to the 192.168.0.14. Let's see. HTTP 192.168.0.114. And let's check. So right there, guys. So let's go. Advanced. Yes. Login. Admin, and the password. And there we go, guys. This is how did you basically convert the unit from Capwap image to Mobility Express. So now you have the web access right here, in order to to more easy, you feel more comfortable, using the web interface to make some changes on the wireless controller. That's the right way to do that right there. So look at that. You have all that information right here, the wireless settings, access point, and all that kind of stuff. So thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and coworkers, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thanks.